Hey people, going to go over some bar chord action using the alternative E fingering. So your middle finger is going to go on the G string, first fret. Your ring finger is going to go on the second fret of the A string, and your pinky is going to go on the second fret of the D string. So this I call the alternative E chord, because it's the alternative to the standard E chord. So it's the same exact chord, but you're using different fingers. And the reason why you want to use different fingers, because it makes your pointer finger available to become the bar. So if you keep this form solid and just move it up a fret, lay your pointer finger down on the first fret so it's nice and flat and covers all the strings, okay? And give it a strum. There you have an F. F sharp, G, G sharp, A, and so on, all the way up the neck for as far as you can comfortably reach. So once again, use the alternative E, which again is your middle finger on the G string first fret, your ring finger on the A string second fret, and your pinky on the second fret of the D string. Should have this sound. And when you move it up with that nice straight bar, you're going to get all these nice chords on top of it. Okay, hope that helps you.